Hello friends, welcome to this video. We have reviewed high-quality products in our channel's video. Hope you like it. Please subscribe to our channel. Number 1. Nordic Ware 3-piece Baker's Delight Set. Top-rated Naturals Bakeware collection is made of pure aluminum for superior heat conductivity and produces consistent evenly browned baked goods every time. These premium pans have a lifetime durability and will never rust. Encapsulated galvanized steel rims prevent warping. Baker's Delight set includes 1/4 sheet, jelly roll and half-sheet pan for the ultimate set.
Number 2. Nordic Ware 45339 Natural Aluminum Commercial 3-piece Baker's Set. Natural aluminum commercial bakeware is made of pure aluminum which will never rust for a lifetime of durability. Baked goods rise and bake evenly due to aluminum's superior heat conductivity, and the reinforced encapsulated steel rim prevents warping. Easy clean up, hand wash only. Pan exterior dimensions 13.5 by 9.75 by 3.63 inches and interior dimensions 13 by 9 inch cake pan and quarter sheet. Proudly made in the USA by Nordic Ware. Number 3. Nordic Ware 3-piece Natural Aluminum Commercial Cookie Baking Set. Natural aluminum non-stick commercial bakeware is made of pure aluminum which will never rust for a lifetime durability. Baked goods rise and bake evenly due to aluminum's superior heat conductivity, and the reinforced encapsulated steel rim prevents warping. Non-stick interior for easy release and cleanup, hand wash only. Set includes Naturals half sheet, a woven fabric deluxe silicone non-stick mat and a non-stick metal large cooling rack. Number 4. Nordic Ware Honeycomb Embossed Non-Stick Baking. Baking and cooling set includes a big and half-sheet pan with oven-safe cooling rack. Pans features a subtle honeycomb embossed texture on interior surface, adds both beauty and functionality, preventing warping and strengthening the pan. Steel heats rapidly, helping food to brown and crisp, while non-stick coating releases foods easy and clean up with minimal effort. Nesting oven-safe rack for decorating, cooling, crisping and air baking. Elevating food on the non-stick rack allows for air circulation from all sides, crisping food to golden brown perfection. Number 5. Nordic Ware, for 3172 AMZM Nordic Ware half sheet with oven-safe non-stick grid. Half sheet with a custom nesting oven-safe non-stick grid. Used together in the oven for crisping bacon, veggies and more. Naturals commercial bakeware is made of pure aluminum which will never rust for a lifetime of durability. Foods bake and brown evenly due to aluminum's superior heat conductivity. Reinforced encapsulated steel rim on the pan prevents warping and adds strength. Used together for crisping in the oven or separate as a baking pan and cooling rack.